The Maytag washer error code F2E2 indicates a communication problem between the power relay control board and the display interface control board. This issue can be caused by a system glitch, a faulty interface control board, or faulty wiring. To fix the error, start by resetting the washer. Pause the wash cycle, unplug it from the power outlet, and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before powering it up and restarting the cycle to see if the error clears. If the issue persists, the interface control board may need to be fixed. To do this, unplug the washer, remove the top panel to access the control board, and test it for continuity. If the board is damaged, replace it with a new one. Otherwise, inspect the control board elements for damage and replace any damaged parts. Reassemble the machine and power it up to test if the error has been resolved. Additionally, inspect the wiring connections by removing the top or front panel to access the interface control board wires, checking for loose or damaged wires, and replacing or tightening them as needed. If the machine still does not work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.